How to close a Bank of America account. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through the process in order to do so. So without any delay, let's just get started with the video. So there are several ways in order to do so. You can close a Bank of America account in person, by phone, or by mail. Online closer is not available. So what you can do is you can basically visit a Bank of America financial center nearby you. Appointments are recommended, and then bring a valid government issued ID. And all of the account owners must be present with their IDs if multiple owners exist. Similarly, by phone, you can call Bank of America customer service available. You can call their toll free number and then have your account ready. And that way, also, you can go ahead and close the account by following the instructions on phone. Similarly, you can send a letter including your name, address, account number, and account type, signed by all the account owners. And if there's a balance, state how you want to receive the funds. And latest for balances over $25,000 needs notarization. You can mail to their particular address, and that way you can go ahead and do so. There are some important steps before closing. You can transfer the funds or arrange to receive the balance upon closure. Similarly, you can make alternative arrangements for automatic payments and direct deposits and save copies as online access may be lost after closure. So you may follow up these methods if you'd like to close your Bank of America account uh, uh, by following up this method. So I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.